Assalamu alaikum, dear viewers. People always tell me, Doctor, my metabolism is slow. But metabolism doesn't slow down by age, it slows down by lifestyle. Today, I'll show you simple changes that can restart your metabolism like a fresh engine. Your metabolism depends on insulin levels, muscle mass, sleep quality, stress, daily movement, what you eat. These are all lifestyle based, fully in your control. Intermittent fasting, when insulin drops, your metabolism wakes up. Fasting is the reset button. Morning sunlight, light exposure sets your circadian rhythm, boosts hormonal balance. Strength training, muscles burn more calories than fat. Even when you are resting, you don't need a gym, just give push up, squats, planks, enough. Protein rich meal, egg, fish, chicken, these increase thermogenesis. Your body burns more calories digesting them. Cold water, deep breathing, both activate brown fat and increase metabolic rate. Avoid late night eating. Metabolism slows naturally at night. Don't overload it. Your metabolism is not broken, it's just waiting for the right lifestyle signals. Give it what it needs and it will reward you with energy, fat burning, and clarity. Assalamu alaikum.
JK Lifestyle, stay healthy without medicine.